Alright, in today's video, we will see sometimes where you get the same input on different large language model or search engines and get different outputs from different people you can encounter, such as your family, your colleagues, or your friends. So first thing first, why you have different outputs? Well, it depends on different parameters. Location is a key parameter. You will get different results if you are in France, if you are in United Kingdom, if you are in Thailand, because it is geolocated results. Also, search engines on large language model, such as ChatGPT, we do think it works in their proper ways, which means it's kind of a mix of Bing, Google, search engines on large language model, such as ChatGPT. We do think it works in their proper ways, which means it's kind of a mix of Bing, Google, and so on. So let's dive into an example to see what it looks like. Basically, here I'm on my account. See, I'm logged, and I want to buy a laptop in NYC. So I will ask this, and you can see I get an answer with different stores such as Best Buy, Apple Store, B&H Photo Video, or Micro Center. So it's pretty good. I get good answer. Now I want to compare it on Duck AI. Duck AI is pretty much the same, but it works different. It does include web search also, but in this time with the crawling of Google, not Google, but DuckDuckGo. And DuckDuckGo is crawling themselves and putting the data they got and putting it into ChatGPT, which means we will get probably different results even though we are still using ChatGPT. So let's try it. So he will call the data on DuckDuckGo, and see, we get kind of different answers. We get also Best Buy, but we get Walmart, we get Target, and we get online options. So we get kind of different results, and as I said earlier, it's pretty normal because I got logged on my account on ChatGPT, and I got memory. Memory is a key thing. Memory is all your previous conversations you had. And if you see on personalization, it will reference your saved memories and reference your chat history. That's why sometimes you get different output with the same input from different devices and different ChatGPTs. So now we know this, and it's pretty good. You also have to know there is a conversations history, which means if I do some other queries on the conversations, it will know what happened previously, and it has a context limit. And each large language model is different, and they got like numbers of words they can remember, and sometimes they go out of the limits and they don't remember the starting of the conversation. So it's really interesting to go into a deeper level on this. And so we need to compare it to Google. If I do this, what should I get? I get, of course, Best Buy, but different results, because ChatGPT is not necessarily crawling on Google. We do think it's mainly crawling on Bing, and they got like a personalized mix of crawling web search, and you get snippets also. And even if you can have also AI overview, if you are in a country when you can have it. Because I'm in France, I don't have AI overview yet available in my country, but it's available largely over the world, and mainly in Western Europe and Eastern Europe. So here you are, is the sum up of what we saw. So what does influence the output of your answer? The location of your user, where you stand, really make a difference on what answer you would get. Also, the search engine, such as DuckDuckGo, Google, Bing, Yandex, you name it, guys, it will influence how the answer will be provided. Memory and large language, referencing to your previous chats, really can influence what you get. History of the chat, also having different queries, having different things talked about earlier on, will influence what you said, what you get on the output. Also, search on Google, the prompts will get different results because Google is by design not a large language model, but using PageRank design to get answers. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for the next video, and I'll see you on the next one.